Hi everyone, I'm Alice, and today I'm in the kitchen in partnership with GoodCook. In the summer, I'm all about no-cook, easy recipes. I'm always running around with my kids, so the less time that I'm in the kitchen, the better. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and delicious fruit salad and a raw zucchini salad. So let's get started on this fruit salad. Today I am using this produce chopper made by GoodCook. I seriously love this thing because this is doing all the work for you. It has these amazing stainless steel blades that help cut your fruit into the perfect size shapes for fruit salad. We're gonna start with this banana. So easy. I'm gonna do strawberries now. And now we're gonna chop up some apples. Make sure you have a nice sized piece and then just press down. So we just finished chopping up all the apples. You can see them here, and I'm gonna add them to my fruit bowl. Then we're gonna mix in some berries and some fresh mint and drizzle everything with a little bit of honey. So here's our finished fruit salad. Now we're gonna make a raw zucchini salad using this countertop veggie spiralizer made by GoodCook. And you just wanna make sure that your countertop veggie spiralizer adheres to your countertop. So press down, and we're gonna take our blade and slide it right in. Place the end that I cut off into the blade portion, and I'm going to secure the other side of the zucchini. You also do wanna make sure that the lever back here is down, and then you just twist, and that's it. So we just finished our zucchini noodles, and now we're actually gonna spiralize an apple. And now we have all of these gorgeous spiralized apples. We're gonna throw this in with the zucchini. My kids actually love this salad. They love the combination of zucchini and apples together. So I really hope you give this recipe a try. For this raw zucchini salad, we're just gonna make a super simple Dijon olive oil dressing. So obviously, we start with some olive oil, some apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of Dijon, and then we're just gonna season with salt and pepper. Simply whisk together, and now we're gonna plate this salad. So we're gonna start by adding the spiralized apples and zucchini from earlier. We're also gonna add in some fresh arugula, and now we're gonna take the dressing that we made, and I'm gonna drizzle some over the top, and then we're gonna mix up this salad. Now we're gonna top this salad with some sliced almonds, and just for fun, you can also add some strawberries. And there you have it. Here is our raw zucchini salad made with the countertop veggie spiralizer. For this recipe and more, visit hipfoodiemom.com.